Ashwin. In this video, I will be telling you how to set up a profile in HubSpot. For that, the process is very simple and easy. Make sure you follow the video till the end to get to know about it. So once you're in the HubSpot, I will be attaching the link in the description below as well. So just click on the top right corner, click on Profile and Preferences, and you will be redirected to this page over here. Here, what you have to do is to add, your full name, language, profile picture, then set up the email sequences, and once you have set up that, then go to the calling section. Here you have a plenty of options. You can add a phone number to set up the calling and all that thing. There are plenty of options. Go to the calendar, set up a calendar with your email. Uh, in the security tab, you can set up a two-factor authentication and the password and all that stuff. I cannot open that up for the security reasons and all that. Automation is a new better thing which you can add automated workflows in it. So this is how you guys can set up the profile. All you have to do is to fill up all this information.